The Hyundai Ioniq 5N is the world's first enthusiast-focused EV, and this car is incredible. But what if we wide body this car? We're jumping into Photoshop and we're keying the 2023 Hyundai Ioniq 5N. Let's go. I would have laughed if you had told me 2 years ago that a Hyundai would be on my list of most desired cars. But who's laughing now? I'll tell you who. Hyundai. They have two cars coming that I would love to get my hands on. First, they dropped the Envision 74 concept, then backed it up by confirming that the Envision will likely come to production. And now we knew an N version of the Ioniq was coming, but I had no idea Hyundai would go this hard. The launch video was amazing, and the rally-inspired section of that video is what inspires this render to come to life. The chiseled body lines, the distinctive light graphics, and now all this in-mode craziness. I can't wait to see how the aftermarket and enthusiast community transform this car, but for now, I'm gonna do what I do best and Photoshop the crap out of this thing. At this point, let's talk about this video's Photoshop tip. You'll notice I've got my new front fender designed, all the colors match, nice chiseled body lines, but the film grain texture is lost and doesn't match the rest of the picture. Photoshop has an easy fix for this. I'm going to copy and paste all the layers I just created, then merge them all into one layer. I want to create a whole new layer that includes all the fender detail. Now we simply go to Filter, Noise, and Add Noise. Choose your noise distribution. For this art, I'm going with the Gaussian to get a little bit more dispersion for the noise, and adjust the amount until it matches the surrounding area. Then click OK. You can take it to the next level by adjusting the opacity, adding a layer mask, or utilizing a layer style to dial in the effect. And just like that, the newly painted details match the rest of the composition. Okay. Enough talking, let's finish this build and this body kit. Let's go. For the final touch, the 1552 iconic gold wheels from the Unicorn. I think that this angular triangle design on these wheels looks perfect with all of the body lines of this car. Just, it looks sick. And so I don't know, maybe Leah Block will take up the mantle. She can hoon this car someday in the future. Who knows? But for right now, we've officially added the Hyundai Ioniq 5N Widebody Edition to the Photoshop garage. Are you as excited as I am for this car? Should Tesla be worried? I think maybe so. One thing is for sure, everybody's looking at Hyundai today. This is insane, guys. I will see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed it. God bless. Take care.